Welcome to Pro News Flash. The Eurodollar has soared on the back of a divergence. Let's dive into the latest developments. A series of key U.S. economic reports has reignited investors' interest in monetary policy. Disappointing figures for U.S. employment and retail sales, coupled with the expected slowdown in inflation, have reduced the likelihood of the Fed tightening monetary policy and helped the euro break through 1.16 against the dollar. It has not yet managed to consolidate above this level amid rising geopolitical risks in the Middle East, but the bulls still have hope. A divergence in monetary policy underpins euro-dollar growth. Goldman Sachs does not expect the Fed to increase rates in 2026. This contrasts with the ECB, which, in the bank's view, is set to tighten monetary policy in September, raising the deposit rate to 2.5%, so the risks are skewed to the upside. This view is fully in line with the futures market. Derivatives prices reflect the extent of the Fed's monetary tightening in 2026 at 21 basis points, and the ECB's at 38 basis points. In other words, the European Central Bank could potentially tighten monetary policy twice. Such a probability for September stands at 84%, compared with 35% for the Fed. Frankfurt is acting more swiftly. All else being equal, this should provide a tailwind for the common currency. Unfortunately for the euro, the escalation of the conflict in the Middle East has pushed Brent crude above $91 per barrel. This increases the likelihood of inflation spiking in the U.S., prompts the Fed to take decisive action, and plays into the hands of the U.S. dollar. Pressure on the greenback is driving a rally in 30-year Treasury bond yields to their highest levels since 2007. Historically, the USD index has been highly sensitive to the yield spread between 30-year and 2-year bonds. A rise in long-term yields suggests persistent inflationary pressure, while a rise in short-term yields indicates the Federal Reserve's reluctance to combat it actively. This circumstance casts doubt on the Fed's independence and contributes to U.S. dollar sell-offs. The future trajectory of the eurodollar will depend on conditions in the oil market, the minutes of the July FOMC meeting, and statistics on European and U.S. business activity for August. The main currency pair is unlikely to have an easy ride. Stay tuned to Pro News for further updates on developments in the financial markets. Like, share, and subscribe.